And what toy do you have today?
Ryan bumper car.
Wow. So who do you have inside of the bumper cars? Who's that? Who's in there? Show me.
Right here.
So who do we have here?
Ryan bumper car.
Ryan bumper cars? Okay. Ryan bumping cars. Okay, and which one is Ryan? Is he the red one or the blue one? Yeah. And where's the teddy bear? Where's the bear? Okay. So when we play with it, which one are you gonna be?
Ryan.
You wanna be Ryan?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you're gonna be the red car or the blue car?
The blue car.
Blue car is not Ryan. The blue car is a bear. The blue car is a bear, not Ryan. So which one are you gonna be?
This one.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. And after we open it up, we're gonna have to put some batteries in there. And then we get to play, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get it unboxed. Okay, so now it's time for batteries, right? Gotta put the batteries in there, right, buddy? Okay, so let's go and get the batteries. All right, y'all. So let's go.
Hello. This one. Hello. Hello.
Okay, put them back. Whoa.
No crashing. No. No. Crash.
I'm gonna crash you. Brandon, stop touching with your hands.
This one right here. Hey. Ow. Hey.
He's stuck. He's stuck. Okay, here we go.
So do yours first. Huh? So that's mine. That's mine. Hey.
Can you help him? He's stuck. Save him, Landon.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Cool.
Help!
Hey, help mine. He's stuck.
Help! Daddy, help!
Help mine. He's stuck. Okay, put both of them back on up here. Put both of them there. Put yours up there too.
How about Ryan?
All right, guys, we're about to race. The red one is Daddy. Blue one is Little Fox. So Big Fox against Little Fox. Move out the way, buddy. On your mark. Get set. Go. Okay, a race. Sneaker Fox against Little Fox. Why are you cheating? Cheater. Put it back. I gotta say on your mark, get set, go. Look at him cheating. On your mark. Get set, go. Hey, what happened? Mine's not working.
Thank you, Abba. Thank you for my video.
Say bye.